Alright, just to let you guys know, these are the actual pellets, the crystals and all that stuff that creates the oxygen, alright? That transfers regular air into the oxygen. They give you extra ones here in case you have to rotate them a couple of months of usage. The tools are included. These are great wrenches. They have everything. I just opened it up. There is a filter in there. Be careful with it. I just opened it up so you guys can see how it looks and make sure that it has O-rings. Everything is wall fine made, wall machine made too, all right? And they give you everything that's required to set this whole thing up, including the tank, all sorts of little parts in case you break something or something gives up, because the whole thing is you have to pump 50 times, you stop, let it rest because it overheats too, you don't want to break O-rings, and you start again to pump, all right? So together, this is how it goes. O-ring goes in first, all right? They give you extra ones in case you break it. And then this part goes in next, all right? And then this part goes facing out. If you guys can see, this part right here goes out because this is where the actual canister hits in there, right? So then you twist the canister in there, all right? Just to let you guys know how it goes first. So let's go ahead and put it together. We're gonna fill it up with actually oxygen right now. And the way you do it, you gotta remove the little cap here, all right? And we're gonna pump it. But you got to pump it around 50 to 60 times, and then you take a rest because you don't want to overheat or maybe break an actual O-ring or ring, all right? So we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Now, before you start, you got to make sure that you tie the back, all right? All right, 50 times. I'm going to take a rest. Go.
I don't think it gets foggy.
No, it doesn't, because it covers your mouth.
Yeah. Oh, and then it's like, I can move it?
Yeah. That's actually pretty good, that one.